Laurelle? Is that you in our hot tub?
Oh, hey, Rebecca. I'm just here to show our friends how to make your own personal patio oasis. It's officially patio season, and I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how to make your own personal oasis. For outdoor dining, al fresco is the way to go. Think about adding some edible plants like basil that folks can add onto their meals. We have the fresh mint for mint mojitos. We have some edible flowers, and look at this. You can make your own lemonade. Creating an outdoor room with tropical foliage, bringing in some features like the salt lamps, and bringing some water features, some running water onto your patio will give it that natural feel. You can create height with hanging baskets or taller plants, and some of them are even edible. Your houseplants also appreciate a summer vacation, so bring your houseplants out onto the deck. Think about light requirements. They tend to prefer a little bit more indirect light when they're out on the deck, and you can add little containers to make them a little bit prettier. Just like these containers here, these soft baskets give it a really nice neutral look. So when you're creating your own personal oasis, make sure it's comfortable for everyone.